So what's going on, everyone? Right now, as you can see, we're gonna get into some gameplay again. We're doing a game called, or this game's called Roblox. It's on Xbox. I'm not sure where else it could be on. The game type of playing on this is called Natural Disaster. So this is gonna be fun. We were playing it before, really liked it. We're like, might as well record it and have some fun with this. So here we go. Ready?
I'm just jamming out to the music. Okay.
We're ready.
Oh, Rakish Refinery. I haven't played that one. I don't think so. You have.
Yep. Where are you gonna go?
I'm gonna stay here.
Go in the building. Look how fun it is. Look at that.
No, because then I can go in the building if I have to, or I can climb up if I have to. I hear clouds. Uh-oh. See, I'm probably gonna go in the building. Because usually it's like acid rain. 9 times out of 10. Look at me with my little eyes in the middle of my face. See? See?
What?
I was right. I'm just gonna hide in this corner right now. No. No, I didn't want to kiss you. No. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The roof's falling. What's with all these men that look alike? I don't watch the triplets. Well, that looks wrong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no! My wall is falling down! Well, where else can I go?
Well, yes, sir.
Oh no! 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 Get up! Ah! Oh, going up high is not a good idea. Oh, I'm okay right here. There's no blizzard right here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I may live. Me and Nugget Boy. And Camo Force. Oh. Someone was just like, oh! Yay! He's X, that black kid. X, in case you couldn't already tell. I'm just using his account because I don't have this.
I'm trying to get some double disasters. I don't want to sit on the bed.
Fort Indestructible. Hello. In the shadows.
Get in the tank. Get in the tank. Quick.
In a tank, why?
Yeah, quick. It's fun to drive in. Oh, he's gonna get to it.
Aww!
Wait, did he get into it? He didn't get into it. The front part. Not that part. That's the turret.
Front part?
The front right there. With the part. Look, see that gray part? Jump. Oh, there you go. What are you doing?
I don't know how to drive it!
You're gonna die.
What do I do?
The trigger.
What is this?
Sandstorm.
Am I okay in here?
I mean, your health doesn't look like it's going down, does it?
A little bit. How do I drive?
I don't know. Press all the buttons. Except for A.
Ooh!
That's gonna shoot.
Can I run over people? Oh.
This is a sucky level. Like, you're supposed to be high.
I mean, I seem to be doing okay in this. The health isn't going down.
Until it breaks apart like that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm trying to move. It won't let me move. Oh no! I don't know if staying in or getting out is better. Oh. I can make it. My hair's getting really sandy. Oh wow. Me and me just hanging out here. No! 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 There's nowhere to
You gotta
Oh, what just happened?
Oh, that's funny.
What happened? Ah! I don't like these. Are you kidding me? It's the glass building?
That person's happy. What is that for? Oh, it's a cat.
I don't know if I should go up or down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I mean, if it's an earthquake, you're screwed. I would stay at the bottom. And slowly creep to the top. Oh, it's tricky.
Some kind of storm's gonna happen.
You can hear it?
Yeah, the clouds. I like that kitty.
Oh, tornado!
Are you kidding?
Don't go upstairs. Just stay away. You better watch when it's coming because you're gonna get swept up in it. It's a tornado. What are you gonna do?
I don't know! Where's the other thing?
Oh, it's a fire!
Oh my god! No! Let me down! Let me down!
Oh god! Oh god!
Oh no!
Get away from the tornado and the fire. Oh, man, don't fall off. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get away from the fire.
If you're good from the fire, it's a tornado you should worry about.
Uh-oh.
Just don't go next to the corner.
My hair! And my glasses! How did I survive that?
God, that's another plan for you. You better get away from that.
But the fire.
The fire doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does. The fire can burn me.
The fire doesn't matter. It's a tornado that matters.
Oh my god. I'm with Noob. I'll stand here. That's funny. Okay. I'm okay now. I'm okay.
Are you?
I feared for my life. Oh dear. Okay. Woo! That was so scary!
Baldy.
Hey. I'm a cute baldy.
Oh, really? Is that
Yeah.
what they tell you?
What?
Is that what they tell you?
More clouds. I always get the storms. Uh-oh. I want some. Give me some. You're a hog at all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Going in. I don't get why it doesn't tell you what storm's gonna happen all the time.
For the sandstorm, I guess it doesn't.
No, but even like, oh. But when the tornado happened, it didn't tell me about the fire.
It's totally disaster. It's totally
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I want this to be like disaster, like total disaster, like
Or what?
like a disaster with nothing. Like big reason, like let's say acid rain and
That's terrible.
that'd be amazing.
Hi, girl. Bye, Epic Potato. Ah! 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 The house almost fell on me. Yeah. Ah! I don't like the sandstorms, but my hair's back! Priorities. My hair is back, but I died.